If you have to embark on a journey and you don't know where you are going to, you don't even know who you are going to meet, where you are going to, you just embark on this journey. When you are going to arrive at that destination, you might not know that you have arrived at destination. And even if there's someone there to receive you, you wouldn't even know who is that person. You might end up getting yourself into trouble. Maybe, well, nature might help you. But what if nature is not there to help you? And you got confused, you got lost, you have to come back to square one. What am I talking about? I'm talking about profit taking in the crypto industry. If, say, you are investing in cryptocurrency, you don't know when to take out profit, then you are just like that person who has embarked on a journey without any direction, don't know what they are doing. They just know that they are going to this destination, but they don't know how to get there. And even if they get there, they don't know what to do when they get there. Right. So today show is going to focus on ways or things you need to see on the chart to give you that signal that now I have to start taking out profit from my altcoins. This is crucial. This is very important that you take it to practice, because, guys, one of the biggest mistake most investors do or most traders do is that they got to a point in time where they become excited that they are making money in the industry. Wow, my account just 10x, 100x, 20x, right? But did you cash out? No. That is just bank alerts. That is just, money on the screen. You need to have a strategy to take out profit. Now, I have some scenarios where I want to show you on the chart. Make sure you have TradingView. If say you don't yet have TradingView, go to the description of this video. The first link, go through it. This is my link tree. You're gonna get to a point where you can really start with TradingView, or you can scroll down. There's a link there that you can get an account, or you get an account with TradingView. You have to use my link, because when you use my link, it's gonna be a way to promote this platform, and you're gonna get 30% off. So make sure you use my link. Now let's go to the charts. This is gonna be brief because I want you guys to get it. Now, let me first of all walk you through what this is all about. These are moving averages. Moving averages are lagging, but at times they give us the direction where the market is going towards. I have here the SMA 1 day, 1 week. You know, these are the yellow is the 1 week, the red is the 1 day, and the blue is the 1 week. And these are all 200, 20, and 50-day moving average on these time frames. So how to set it up? Let me just go to this moving average so you can see how I set it up. It's pretty easy for you to see what I did here. You can see here the length is 200, 200. The length below is 5, and the method is SMA, and the time frame is 1 day. Right? So when you pull the SMA, you go to how to put it, you go to indicators, just search MA, smooth moving average, or moving average, simple moving average, right? You can, this is it, I started, or you can use this one, smooth moving average, this is it, smooth moving average, right? And when you click on that, it's gonna appear. I think I cannot appear, I cannot get this because I already have it there, and I've exceeded my indicator. So this is a one smooth moving average. So use with this one, and you have to go, do it exactly as I mentioned. You have to insert the 1 day, the 1 week, and the 2 1 week and 1 day. And the first 1 day should have the 200 length, like 200, and below should be 5, and the time frame should be 1 day. And the second one should have 20 length, 20, time frame should be 1 week, and the last one should have length 50, method SMA, time frame should be 1 week. So these are the indicators you need to have. If you say to an extent you want to go more to have this one below here, you want to have below here. This is Trendillo. I'm gonna before I bring Trendillo here, let me just go through the this moving average first. I'm gonna bring Trendillo here to give you guys an urge how what I'm trying to do here or what I'm trying to accomplish here. So now this is the scenario for the previous bull market, right? We saw price around that was around 2019, April 2019. Price makes its way to the upside around July 2019. July 8, 2019. And price went back to about how many dollars? To about 40 about $4,000. Yeah, $4,000. That was, let's see, that was which day? Monday, March 2nd, 2020. Right? And after that, price make its way back to the upside, right? And it was 9,000 something dollars, right? And we saw price go like went back up to about around August 2020. And now look at what happened in this zone. What happened here is that this moving average, they crisscross with each other in this zone, right? And this is a bullish signal. Now, immediately after that, this was the first move up, and we saw retracement. We saw another move up. We saw retracement, and this retracement was when this yellow was crossing. You can see it. This yellow was crossing the red and the blue moving average. Now, look at what is going on. Yeah, the red and the green. Sorry, guys, the red and the green, not blue. So, look at what is going on here, guys. Immediately this cross, we saw a spike to the upside. After that spike, price keep going up until what year? This was about 2021, 12th of April 2021. Price went to about $64,000, and we saw a retracement back to retest the 1 week, that's the 50-day moving average on the 1 week time frame. Right, price we test that zone and price move back to the upside. But along the way, you can see here, this moving average crisscrossing, like crossing each other, right? And let me tell you something, guys, when it comes to market structure, how the market moves. When the market makes a move like this to the upside and do a retracement, the market always, or price, sorry, not the market, price. When price move upward to like this and price retrace, let me do this. If price move upward like this and price retrace, price is always going to go back to test that zone. It doesn't matter how long, the price will go there. If price is not able to break and start making higher highs, that's when you get out completely from that coin. And the reason why I'm using Bitcoin today is because Bitcoin pretty much gives the signal to any other coin out there. So if say money is flowing out of Bitcoin, it means money will start be flowing out of other altcoins, right? People are have started cashing out profit. So when you see a move like this move is going to be the final entry for those who miss out on the promise. You can see price retrace back to this. This is the weekly time frame, anyways, guys. So you have to do this on a weekly time frame. You can see price came and tried to break this area, yeah, the price couldn't break it. You can see, yeah, and this area was formed during the movement to the upside during the bull market. Price came back and price couldn't break this zone. It means the strength is still, because this was the first retest of that area of interest. And after that, price moved back to the upside, right? So the question you should be asking yourself right now is that if say you were in this trade, if say you were trading or investing, would you have gotten out or of your other coins, or maybe you would think that it's only Bitcoin which is doing this? Guys, during this moment, other altcoins are going to be pumping, no doubt. They're going to be making big moves to the upside, right? But it will be a trap. This move here, the last move to the upside, was a trap. This was to trap investors to think that the price was going to continue. Right? This was a clear trap. You can see for the past 2 weeks in a row, price plunged downward, and ever since that time, price went back upward. Right. So that was a trap, right? So in that case, you would have gotten out from that trade. You would have taken out some profit already in your altcoins. And even if you put that profit in Bitcoin, let me tell you what will happen, right? Let's say Bitcoin moved during that period, 50% or 1x. If Bitcoin is going to drop about 50%, if they become move 1x and drop 50%, these altcoins are going to move about 10x, 20x. And the gains that you're going to make from these altcoins are going to go back to zero. But the gains you're going to make from Bitcoin, right, it's not go down just a little bit. So if say you take a gain of 100x or 5x and you put it into Bitcoin, and Bitcoin for just about how many percent? 5%. And this 50%, and these altcoins fall back to where you bought it. What do you think? This is more opportunity for you to buy back and keep on making money through that circle. That's why Bitcoin, the fact that the price of Bitcoin might fall down like temporarily, doesn't mean that the price is going to stay at that price point. It means people are taking out profit and giving room to for the market to cool down, for fresh legs to come on board, and when it's time, they will start buying back. Now, how do you know, or why do I think now we are in the bull market? You can see this scenario, what happened before. You can see what I mentioned earlier in the video, price crossing these moving averages, right? The same thing happening here. This happened here again. Like, this is the same scenario. You can see this yellow moving average has crossed the red and the blue and the green moving average. So why am I keep saying blue? You can see here, right? Is now above all of this moving average. And where is price? Price is to the moon. Look at what price did here. Price was in the moon, to the moon. Look at where price is. Price is also to the moon. Look at where these moving averages are. They are waiting for they're gonna feel each other, like they're gonna make their way to the upside, to the upside, like the 50-day moving average, which is, I'm sorry, the 20-day moving average on the weekly time frame is gonna make its way to the upside. And when it gets to that level, if say price have to come back and touch it, like what price did here, it means it's gonna break and go to the downside. But as it stands, we can see the price of Bitcoin keep going up, 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 as this moving average. They're gonna, like, be straightforward to the sky, like they are going up until they come to crisscross each other before we can say, okay, now these moving averages have been and they are going to be moving back to the downside. Guys, this is something that I have realized, I've noticed, and I've done similar studies with this system, with the hybrid system. This one even is like, is really is on the, let me go, it's on the weekly time frame also. This indicator, you can get it, just go to indicator, go to and click search for traders reality. Traders reality main. So this is an indicator. When you get it, then you can do the setup. Like, let me show you guys my setup, like how I set it up, so you can see how it is. So this is the style. We have the 5 EMA, 13 EMA, 50 EMA, 200 EMA, 800 EMA, the upper 50 EMA cloud. So I untick all of these ones here, but I have the back colors, the labels. So that's all you need to do there. And maybe to the inputs, you can just show EMAs, show market value labels, show it high and low daily, weekly, and show, so you can just have all of this here. It's gonna be the same when you insert the indicator to your TradingView. You can see here the signal was given on the weekly time frame by this other indicator. This is the alpha trend. To get the alpha trend, just go and search alpha trend screener by Kivans or Bilix kit. I don't know the name. It has 5,013 at this point in time. So you can start it and click it also. There, with that one, you don't have to change anything, just leave it the way it is. So you can see this indicator printed a buy signal here. And before it printed a buy signal, let me bring this closer to this area. Oh, let me do this. I don't know why it's not moving the way I want it to do. Okay, so you can see here, price makes its way to the upside, and this indicator printed buy on the daily time frame. That was the same period I explained. That was 2022, and after that, we saw price was above or was trading above or in between the 5 and 13 EMA. And when price we test back and touch this alpha trend, it acted as support. And immediately price moved back to the upside and was trading above that 5 or in between 5 and 13 EMA. And immediately price break that 5 and 13 EMA. Price also break the trend low, and price came to the 50-day moving average. Yeah, this line here is the 50-day moving average. So price break back to the upside and price come down. You can see downward, and now look at what we are seeing on with price. Price is doing the same thing. You can see the moving averages are up. There's a buy signal here with alpha trend. You can see the 5 and prices above the 5, the 50-day moving average, the alpha trend, and the 13-day moving average. This is a bullish signal. So far as price is on that trend or on this trend, you want to keep holding your altcoins or looking for more opportunities. But if say price break and start trading below, and you see a sell signal printed as what we saw here, then you want to get out from all your altcoins, and possibly you can have some few that there's some few like altcoins that you are just playing around short term, but you must have banked more. You must have banked most of your profits already at this point in time, guys. I know this might sound boring to you. Maybe you are someone who don't understand how the charts work. You know, as days goes by, I'm gonna keep explaining this to you. That's why it's important you guys join my Patreon. Joining my Patreon is going to help you to get personal knowledge, like one-on-one. I can take you with this one-on-one for you to understand this. I can also be doing like consistent studies on this, on how to set up this on your own. Because it's important you know all this, be it an investor or a trader. You know, you can get into Bitcoin and look at where the price is at this point in time. And when price keep moving towards the direction that you believe is the right direction for you to keep buying or take out profit, then you know that this is the moment for you to either cash out or keep being in the market. Now, most people in this industry or most YouTubers in this industry won't tell you this, right? They won't tell you, they won't show you what I have just showed you, because this is a game, guys. Most people don't actually do this hard work that I am doing for you guys. I'm here not only helping you to get involved into project that can help you make cash in this industry and buy back Bitcoin. I'm also helping you to understand what scenarios that you can get out from the market and be neutral. You can get in, but you are getting in small, because you don't want to go in big. But at that time, you must have banked all your profit, 10x, 100x. Everything is in USDT or somewhere. You can take that gains and buy some real estate or invest in other assets, but you still have your core investment, right? I mean, guys, what more do you want? Do you want to keep making same mistakes over and over, or you want to do things differently this time around? If say you are in this industry and you want to be successful in this industry, you want to make the right call, you have to combine fundamentals and technical analysis. They go with each other. You see, there are times I look at the chart and I look at the chart and I say to myself, something's going to happen to move price to the upside, because I can see that price is attempting, meaning something is cooking. Like, for example, Bitcoin might go to 1 million or 2 million. Now Bitcoin is at 44K or 43K, right? before Bitcoin gets to that level, it's a long way. And before that time, there's going to be some events. And this event, the people who have liquidity, the market makers, they already understand what is going to happen. And before it happens, they give signal on the chart. That's why I say to you guys, it's important you learn some aspect of technical analysis, not everything. This, what I just showed you guys, what I just showed you right now, is easy. If say you practice it for 1 week, you are going to grab it. You're going to get it. And when like price keep going up as price is doing, you don't care. Like I'm talking about for those who have long-term project. You say you want to hold this project to till the bull market is over. This is the time for you to know when is the moment for me to get out. When am I going to know this is the time for me to get out? This is that's why I brought up this indicator, so you can see that this signals will give you heads up. Now get out. Get out from this trade. Bank your profit and keep it with you. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, come on, you know what to do. Go right now and smash the subscribe button. And if you say you haven't talked about crypto to your family, your loved ones, go and tell them that this is the moment you can make life-changing world from this industry. Crypto is for everyone. With a mobile phone, you can get your own cryptocurrency. It requires no bank to interfere with you. All you need is your ID, your phone. At times, you don't even need your ID because you can use decentralized applications like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. There are many of them, but these are the famous one or the popular ones, or maybe SafePower. But the idea is you'll be able to get crypto regardless your condition. There are so many ways out there. And if you say you face challenge or you face any challenge in the process, you can reach out to me and I'll be willing to help you enormously. So make sure you do just that. Subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.